I am Priyadharshini. My batch is DTM4. I completed BCA in June 2023. After that, I applied for data science course in GUVI, and I have completed it successfully. Why I choose GUVI is good platform and 100% placement support. My main boot session mentor uh, Shabrinath Flamelord sir made it easy and understandable for us more that I accepted whatever doubts we asked in the session. He took the time to teach us. Apart from him, all other mentors solved my doubts by raising queries on Zen portal. Thanks to Sabarnath sir and all other mentors and coordinator. Thank you.